Did you know that the average knowledge worker spends 60% of their work week managing documents and emails? That's over 24 hours every week just pushing papers around. What if you could get most of that time back? AI documentation tools are changing the game, automating the boring stuff so you can focus on what actually matters. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI for documentation that's faster to create, more accurate, and actually gets read. Modern AI documentation tools use three key technologies to make your life easier. Natural language processing, or NLP, analyzes your text to understand context, grammar, and style to help improve clarity and consistency. Machine learning studies your existing documentation to automate repetitive tasks like formatting and data extraction, and generative AI creates summaries, drafts, reports, or proposals based on your input. Sometimes so good, you'll wonder if it read your mind. The benefits of using AI for documentation go way beyond just time saving though. First, there's the obvious efficiency boost. When AI handles data extraction, formatting, and organization, you can focus on adding the human touch and strategic thinking. Second, AI can analyze your writing style and suggest improvements for clarity and conciseness, meaning your documentation isn't just faster to create, it's actually better. And here's something cool. AI can personalize content for different audiences automatically. The same technical information can be presented differently for engineers versus executives. The bottom line, using AI for documentation is becoming essential for teams that want to stay competitive. But let's cut to the chase and look at some specific ways you can use AI for documentation right now. For user manuals and knowledge bases, AI can analyze product data, support tickets, and usage patterns to create comprehensive guides that actually answer the questions your users are asking. For SOPs, AI can maintain consistency across departments by suggesting relevant protocols based on best practices and internal knowledge. If you're tired of missing key points in meeting minutes, AI transcription tools like ClickUp's AI note taker can record discussions and automatically generate summaries with action items and decisions. For sales proposals, AI can analyze customer data and create personalized content that speaks directly to the prospect's needs. Technical documentation, which developers usually dread writing, becomes easier when AI analyzes code and generates clear explanations. And for business reports, AI can pull data from multiple sources, identify trends, and help craft insightful narratives that drive decision-making. The possibilities are endless, but the goal is the same: documentation that's faster to create and more valuable to use. Now let's get practical. Here are some actual prompts you can use with generative AI tools like ClickUp Brain to create documentation right now. For a user guide, try this prompt. Write a user guide for a new mobile app that allows users to manage their finances. Explain how to add bank accounts, track expenses, and set financial goals. If you need to simplify a legal document, try this. Summarize this complex legal contract into key takeaways for a non-legal audience. For product descriptions, ask AI to write a compelling product description for a new fitness tracker that emphasizes its health and wellness benefits. And for sales proposals, you could say, generate a sales proposal for cloud-based project management software targeted towards marketing agencies, highlighting collaboration features and ROI. The key is being specific in your prompts. The more details you provide, the better the AI output will be. With ClickUp Brain, you can save all of your prompts for reuse, reclaiming even more time. Now, you could use standalone AI tools for documentation, but for true efficiency, you want AI integrated into your workflow. That's where context-aware assistants like ClickUp Brain come in. It's built directly into ClickUp, so you're not constantly switching between your project management and AI apps. ClickUp Brain offers real-time suggestions as you write, and it even integrates data from external connected sources like Slack or Google Drive to enrich your writing. Plus, you can use it to create custom templates for common project and documentation types. With Brain Max, your desktop AI companion, you can choose different kinds of models for different types of documents. Maybe GPT-4 for a video script, Claude Sonnet for a blog post, Gemini for technical documents powered by deep research. Really the best model that fits your needs. And get this, you only pay for ClickUp Brain. You never have to leave the platform, so there's no context switch, and none of your data is used to train these models within ClickUp. But what makes ClickUp especially powerful is that it's not just an AI tool. It's a complete productivity platform. For example, imagine dictating messages, emails, and even entire documents 4 times faster than typing. It's possible with talk-to-text in Brain Max. The future of AI documentation is even more exciting. Soon, AI assistants will automatically research, verify, and update information within your documentation, ensuring everything stays current without your manual effort. In fact, you can already build a custom ClickUp autopilot agent to do that right now. Just check out the link in the description for that. Real-time translation is going to break down the language barriers, making your documentation instantly accessible worldwide. And static documents will transform into interactive interactive experiences with AI helping users navigate complex information through simple Q&A. Are you ready to transform your documentation workflow? Discover how AI can make documentation one of the easiest parts of your job, not the hardest. Sign up for free today at ClickUp.com.